This is a super delicious brunch or merienda. Layers and layers of goodness. That's not the end of the story. It's yet bathed in more goodness. And even served with more goodness. Let's do this together. You're watching Channel 1 and this is the World Cuisine series presented in Tagless. Let's join Romulo in his small kitchen. Warm welcome, it's Sunday brunch at Romulo's place. Your queen uncle here in Holland. I just came from the grocery. Magluluto tayo ng Monte Cristo Sandwich. In France and in Belgium, this would be called croque monsieur or croque madame. This is quick lunch. Let's start. So what do we need? Sandwich bread. That's what I went to the grocery for. Ham and cheese. And of course butter and egg and some sugar. To be able to spread the cheese well, I'm going to grate it. I don't have a slicer, so I'm going to grate it. I'll have to remove my coat first. It's getting warm here. Let's trim its crust. I'm not happy removing the crust. It's waste of food, but the recipe calls for it. So I'm doing this just to illustrate, but usually I wouldn't do this. I'm not going to waste this crust. I'm going to save them and grind them and use them as breadcrumbs for my other recipes later. Let's open the bread and put a layer of ham. Fold it nicely. Avoid the ham from showing on the sides. And lay some grated cheese. That's the first layer. Let's build the next layer. Ta-da! Ham, slice of ham again. Fold it nicely. And some grated cheese. Yes. I don't want to waste it. Embarrassing. Some layers of cheese again. And the last topping. Press. We'll have to flatten this. That's how it cuts its name. Let's use this as a chopping board to press it down. Press it. I was rushing that I didn't tell you about the other ingredients. We need eggs. If you remember our French toast, almost the same. Or it's the same. It's just the added feeling. Same amount of milk. Around 1 tablespoon of sugar. I have to reverse my table. I was rushing, but my table was disoriented. I didn't have access to my utensils. Yeah, that happened again. It always happens. Just a bit of salt. And I'm making two Monte Cristo sandwiches, and this is the first of the two. Let us dip it in this mixture of milk and egg. And then let's just grill it on a buttered pan. I mean buttered, not battered. So let's fry it. Preferably with the flame at low setting. Just in low flame. Give it around 2 minutes or so and check. We have to fry the sides as well. All the sides. Not just the main sides, but also the flanks. This is a bit difficult to fry or to grill, but it's worth it. Again, all the sides. Plating is important for this sandwich. Let's cut our sandwich into 4 pieces. And voila, look at that. And this can be fatty. It's cheese and ham. So let's neutralize it by adding some coleslaw. I made some coleslaw while waiting for this to cook. I didn't film it.
Good so.
And this is the second batch that I prepared for our cameraman. Let's give him his share of the coleslaw. It's always good to balance our diet. Protein, carbohydrates, and vegetables. That's what I learned from my home economics back in my elementary grades. Our lunch for this Sunday, Monte Cristo, or croque monsieur or croque madame. Madaling gawin, you can do it at home. Thank you for joining your kuya today, and I hope to have you again next time. Your Sebati. If you enjoyed watching our show today, don't forget to subscribe and give us your like, or leave some comments what do you want me to prepare next time. We have 2 series. First is the Pinoy food delivered in English for the world, and world cuisine delivered in Tagalog for the Pinoy households. What do you want me to cook next? And don't forget to support our effort in sharing our food to the world. Don't forget to share. Thank you.